Hey there, everyone. Let's talk about something that can really supercharge your real estate business: private debt. You've probably heard the term tossed around, but what exactly is private debt? And how can it help you grow your portfolio, especially when it comes to multifamily units? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be itching to explore this powerful tool. First off, private debt is essentially a loan from a private lender, not a traditional bank. These lenders could be individuals, private equity firms, or even family offices. The beauty of private debt is its flexibility. Unlike banks, private lenders can tailor the loan terms to better fit your needs. This can be a game changer, especially in the fast-paced world of real estate. So why should you consider private debt for your real estate business? For starters, it can help you leverage your current assets to acquire multi-family units. Multifamily properties are a fantastic way to generate steady cash flow and build equity over time. But they can also be capital intensive. That's where private debt comes in. With private debt, you can access funds more quickly and with fewer hoops to jump through. This speed and flexibility allow you to seize opportunities that might slip through your fingers if you were waiting on a traditional bank loan. And let's be honest, in real estate, timing is everything. Now let's dive into leverage. Leveraging means using borrowed capital to increase the potential return on investment. Private debt can amplify your buying power, enabling you to acquire larger properties or multiple units. Imagine getting into a multifamily property that you couldn't afford outright. By leveraging private debt, you can spread your risk and maximize your investment potential. But here's the kicker. Private lenders often have a deep understanding of real estate. They're not just number crunchers, they get the market. This means they can offer more than just money. They can provide valuable insights and support. Think of them as partners in your growth journey. Of course, like any financial tool, private debt comes with its own set of risks. Interest rates can be higher than traditional loans, and terms can vary widely. That's why it's crucial to do your homework. Always read the fine print and consult with a financial advisor to ensure the deal aligns with your long-term goals. So, there you have it. Private debt can be a powerful ally in growing your real estate business, especially when it comes to multifamily units. By leveraging this tool, you can access funds quickly, seize more opportunities, and partner with lenders who understand the market. Ready to take your real estate game to the next level? Dive into private debt and see how it can transform your investment strategy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on real estate investing. See you next time.